Hi, John Glenn teachers. This is Mike Mackin, and I'm recording in Cloffice B. And what I'm doing is I'm putting together a series of videos to hopefully make your life easier when it comes to using the programs that teachers typically use. The way it's going to work is each time I'll probably give you 3 little hints or tips, and I'll send these out periodically. But what I'm going to ask you to do is that if you have any suggestions, any ideas, send them to me via email, and I'll put them on here. Or if you have any questions you want answered, send me an email also. So today we're going to start with Windows 7. That's the new operating system that you have on your computers, and there's a couple little tricks to make life easier. So let's take a look at a typical scenario. You're going to maybe make your first smart notebook and you have some rules down, but you want to add a nice picture. Well, typically what I do is I'll go work with Internet Explorer and find some images. But the problem is that I have to kind of toggle back and forth, and it's hard to see these things. So Windows 7 came up with an ingenious idea. What they did is if you grab the top of the program, the bar here, and you slide it off to the side and let go, it automatically resizes the window so it takes up half the screen. And if I do the same thing with Internet Explorer, now I have both programs where I can use them. It makes it very simple to right-click, copy, and then paste my image. So this new feature allows you to resize your programs automatically to half the size of the screen. Another cool trick, tip number 2, is this little square down here, this rectangle. It's called an arrow peak bar. And if you hover over the top, it makes your programs transparent. So maybe I want to use a picture that's behind these two. Well, if I click the rectangle, it'll actually minimize both those programs. I can then open up my picture of this old little teacher lady. I can then pull up my Smart document next to it. Right-click, copy, right-click, paste. Very simple. Finally, the last tip. If I want to maximize any program at any point, I simply pull it to the top, let go. It'll maximize the screen. If I pull it down, it'll resize it to its original size. And then finally, the shake it and disappear trick. If I want the programs behind me to disappear, I simply grab the program in front, shake back and forth, and the ones behind it disappear. Shake it again, and they reappear. So there's your tips. I hope it helps you out. Good luck, and I'm sure your school year will go great.